Go to Canva, video, landscape video, and go to uploads, images, and after uploading your image, drag it to the design, adjust the size, go to text, and type your text. Let's change the font. Let's use Anton. Increase the size. Change the text color to white color. And place it in the middle. Duplicate the text and align it. Go to effects. Hollow. Decrease the thickness to 5. And click on the image. Duplicate. Let's place it here and remove the background. Click this little icon and increase the size. Click this plus button, click blank. Let's place this line in the middle and select all and type S in the keyboard to split all these elements and go to this text. Drag it to the top. Keep just this transparent part. Click on the second text and make the same. And add transition, match and move, increase the duration. And the final step, just increase the size of this images like this. And here's the final results.